Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing about how to change your Facebook page name. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Facebook have a new update in 2020 where you cannot change your Facebook's page name in Facebook's application, but you can change it by watching this video till the end. So let's get started. First, go to your browser and type m.facebook.com. Once you logged in, click the menu button and go to your page. Click on the More button and select the Edit Page option. Now click the page info. Now click on Name in About section. Here you can type new name for your Facebook page. Then you will have this window which notifies you that it will take 3 to 7 days to review. It's fine, just click on request change. OK to finish the process. Congratulations, your Facebook page name is now changed. It will not change immediately, so don't panic. It will take 10 to 15 minutes to change the page name. That's it for that video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for further more videos. Thank you.